Okay, I'll just show you how to play music or stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2016 Nissan Juke. First of all, we go over to music. We'll see there, if I click at the bottom, the silver triangle and the three silver circles, there's two options there, iPhone and My Car. My Car is ticked. That means any audio that plays through here, through the phone, if we have this set properly, it will play through the speakers in the Nissan Juke. I've just turned it down, turned it off. So we over to the system here and we go to auxiliary. Now that's showing the record that's playing here. It doesn't necessarily come up on that if you've got auxiliary or something plugged into auxiliary or here we go, just click that again. See auxiliary, that's on the auxiliary plug. So you may have to click it 2 times or 3 times, but you click it, click auxiliary until you see your phone. And there you go. I'm going to turn this up and then turn this up. That's it. That's how you stream audio.